Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got this package from Himimi, or Hi Mimi. Hi Mimi. Oh cow. Oh. Because spring is here, I need to water the plants, water the lawn, all that. My snake hose broke. And they just happened to send me a hose system. The kind that retracts when you pull it, you know, instead of trying to untangle all the hoses and stuff. This is one of those mechanisms where the hose sticks out of it. You plug one end into your spigot, right? And then the rest of the hose, you can just pull it out, use it, pull it again, and it retracts back in there again. Easy. Okay, so this side is where you plug it into your spigot, the water valve, right? And then on this side is your hose. It has a stopper over here that tells you where it stops. So you can pull it all the way out. It clicks and stops where you let go. Right? And then when you're done, it retracts back in here again. Oh, that's really easy. I know hoses pretty well. I've had enough of them in my life to know what's good quality and what's bad quality, right? While this system looks really cool, and I like the retraction feature of it, right? You could tell from this hose that it'll kink very easily, and here in the East Coast, when the weather is very cold and then super hot and then super cold and then in the middle, this hose is not going to last very long at all. You know what I mean? I suppose you could take the whole thing apart and replace the hose, but I think that's more trouble than it's worth. You know what I mean? But in the meantime, I will hook it up and see if it works. In the box, we have a water gun, you know, hardware, a bracket where you can mount onto like the side of your house or your fence if you wanted to mount this permanently, a rod that goes through, and instructions. Forget it, we don't need to read any instructions. Self-explanatory. I'm probably not going to mount this because I know just from looking at the hose that it's not going to last more than a couple of seasons, and I don't want to drill holes into my fence or my house for something that's not going to be permanent. You know, I'm just telling it to you like it is. That's my opinion of it, and I know from experience that this hose is not going to last more than a couple of years. So if it's not going to be a permanent thing, I'm not drilling holes in my wall, but I will use it and see how long it does last. So I'm in my backyard now. I have one of those snake hoses, you know what I mean? You turn the water on, it expands, but it's pretty durable, but they break quite often too. The kind with the brass fittings is the best. Now, this is my water gun. It's completely rubber encased, and it's pretty good quality. It's lasted me like 5 years, you know? The one they gave you, you can just tell that this is not going to last. It's very flimsy, cheap plastic, right? This won't last more than one season. We'll try it anyway, but this is like something you get at a 99-cent store, you know? Not good quality. The hose is not good quality. The hose is not good quality, and the gun is not good quality. Look how thin this is. Super thin. But I'll hook it up to my spigot anyway, and we'll try it out. Okay, I've hooked it up to the wall. I'm going to turn on the water now. Oh, that's kind of cool. The mist is very fine. So it has these like settings. See? Sorry. Mist, soaker, angle. Yep, angles down, center. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Flat. That's really cool too. Cone. All right, I like the attachments on this. Jet. Ooh, that goes really far. Shower. Nice. Wow, the mist is very good for like flowers and stuff. So the hose from the spigot to the thing is only that long. So you would have to mount it either on your PVC fence, which I'm not going to drill holes into. I'm not going to drill holes onto my wall of my house. I don't have any wood around here, so I'm just going to keep this as it is like that. Okay, so obviously I would kind of point this towards the area that I'm going to, right? And so just pulling on it. So it has to be mounted, so I understand that, you know. So I like this mist. You just stand here, and it's very good therapy. Just stand here and relax while watering your lawn, you know? When you're finished, you give it a little bit of a yank. And it retracts back in place. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. I'm trying to grow grass here. I had a trampoline there. I took it away. Now I'm just trying to grow grass here, put seed. So this is good for just watering this area. So I'm done. This is like, I don't know, 25 feet, 10, 20, 30, maybe 40 feet. I'm not sure. I'll read the instructions and let you know. I'm done, so I'm gonna pull on it. All right, so it's not exactly as easy as that. There we go. It's very good. Just have to catch it, that's all. There you go. Sweet. Himimi, or Himimi. So this is the Himimi hose, water hose with spigot and spray gun. Retractable and mountable. You can mount it if you want. I just don't want to mount it. But it's exactly what I needed. So thank you very much. And it's pretty good, you know. I just don't think this will last. But the rest of it looks good. Thanks a lot for joining me on this weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.